I'm gonna give you like a bonus other 2 tips if you want to work with ArchiCAD all the time, if you don't want to go and explore with Twinmotion, or if you don't want to learn that from me as well, you can stay here. But I'm gonna give you 2 tips which at the time when I started I needed them so much, but I couldn't find something to learn them, so I'm gonna give you them as well. So we are going to 3D. We need to be on 3D for this tool. Press the window, palettes, and we are going to the surface painter. We can see here we have so many other materials. For example, if we need wood, I'm gonna write here wood, and it will be appeared right here so many other wood examples. How we can put to our project, it is add a project. You go to the model and will appear right there. It is really easy. This is the best method, because if we press here and we go to those materials, they are not enough, but here we can find really much more. Or we need to change the parquet if we are not so happy with our choice, and we have another one which is pretty good and pretty cool. This is one of the tools what I wanted to share with you. It is so helpful. You can find so many other interesting things there. And one other thing what is really helpful for architects and designers as well. For example, we want a terrain, but we need to be not to be like flat like this. We need to have a little bit curves and to be a little bit up. So how we gonna do that? First thing first, we're gonna go again back to the spline which I told you earlier, and we are drawing some lines like this. It's up to you, and I will do one. I will start from the bottom. You need to select the mesh. It works just with mesh. You can't, in this case it doesn't work with other options, for example with slab or something else. It works just with mesh. Select the mesh, again go select, press space button, go to the line, click one time and make it fit to all ridges. Press OK and will appear this one we need for all of them. After that, the other step it is to press at one point and press this one, elevate mesh. For this one I would prefer 0, so it won't make troubles to our home. And the other one, let's say we need that 100 centimeters, and let's see how it's gonna look like. So right now we have a terrain like this, or maybe we want not so much. For example, let's start with this background 2D. It was a little bit too much. Let's start with 50 centimeters and then go up 15, 17, 19. Let's make it here 17 as well. 110, and the last one 40. It will look like this. You can go even bigger. It's up to you. Maybe here. It is really up to you. This up to your idea how you want to be your terrain, right? This is a tool what it can help you so much to make. If you work with garden, this will be really helpful to make nice things on garden. So I will end this course with you here. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to drive you through this course, to teach you. I wish you all the best from the bottom of my heart, and I wish I can see you on the top all the time.